Everyone loves to chase the newest format, but in B2B, the explainer still wins because complexity is here and it's increasing. When your product or service is complex, it needs explaining, and simplicity is key. A good explainer tells a story. It explains the buyer's problem, shows how the product or service provides a solution, and how it works, bringing the outcome to life and making next steps obvious. Don't make the mistake of cramming everything in. The best explainers demonstrate just enough to trigger confidence and build trust, connecting your audience using a blend of emotion and logic. If you can't explain your value in 90 seconds, your buyers just won't get it. So keep it short, keep it human, and focus on the one thing that makes your buyers say, "Ah, that's for me."